online classes conducted by St. James School. Now I am here with an interesting chapter 2, A Great Hero. Okay, now I am going to start the chapter. About 700 years ago, Alauddin Khilji ruled in Delhi. Means 700 years ago, 700 साल पहले की बात है ये. Ruled in Delhi. Who was ruled in Delhi? Alauddin Khilji. At that time, the Rajput Raja of Chittor, the capital city of Mewar in Rajasthan, was Bhimsi or Bhimsinha, Bhim the Lord. Means who was the ruler there at that time? Bhimsi was the ruler there at that time, and his short name was Bhimsi, which means Lord. He had a beautiful wife named Padmini. His wife was very beautiful, named Padmini, or the lotus flower who was brave and clever. His wife Padmini, whose name was the symbol of lotus flower, which is clever and beautiful. Alauddin heard of her beauty and wanted to make her his wife. And Alauddin Khilji heard about her beauty, so he wanted to make her his own wife. He took a great army to Chittor and laid siege to it. And he went there with his great army for complete destruction. Okay? But the brave Rajputs fought so hard for their king and queen that the Khilji king could not capture Chittor. And Chittor के जो soldiers थे, they fought very bravely, and Khilji was defeated by them. Then Alauddin Khilji said that all he wanted was a glimpse of Padmini. तब Alauddin Khilji ने क्या कहा? Only he wanted a glimpse of Padmini. वो एक झलक देखना चाहता था रानी पद्मिनी को. And he promised to take his troop back to Delhi if this request could be granted. And he promised that if he will be fulfilled by this wish, then he will be back with his troop. Bhimsi replied that Alauddin could not look directly at the face of his wife, but that he may look at a mirror in which Padmini's face would be reflected. And Rajput Raja said that he can't see her directly. वो उसे डायरेक्टली देख सकता था, बट मिरर में उसका फेस, जबकि पद्मिनी मिरर में देख रही होगी, तब वो मिरर में उसका फेस देख सकता है. While she herself would not be seen, जब वो खुद भी अपने आप को नहीं देखती. And he must come into Chittor with 1 or 2 guards only. And उसको केवल 1 or 2 गार्ड के साथ चित्तौड़ आना है. Alauddin agreed to this, and Alauddin agreed. He knew that the Rajput Raja would keep his word and not hurt him. वो अच्छी तरीके से जानता था he will keep his promise, so he was agreed with that. And so he went into the fort with 2 men only. और इसीलिए वो केवल 2 गार्ड के साथ वहाँ गया. He was now in the territory of the Rajputs, but being honorable men, they did not harm him. He looked at Padmini's face in the mirror, and then he looked. तब उसने देखा मिरर में पद्मिनी का फेस. Then he said to Bhimsi, as I have trusted you, do you now trust me? तब उसने Bhimsi से कहा, as I trust you, जैसे मैंने तुम पे भरोसा किया, will you trust on me? Then come with me outside the fort and let us part as friends. और फिर वो उसे फोर्ट किले के बाहर ले गया होगा. अब हमें मित्रता कर लेनी चाहिए. We will be friend after that. Bhimsi trusted Alauddin's word and went with him. Then he trusted on him and went with him. But as soon as they got out और एक भूत था जो कि छुपा हुआ था अलाउद्दीन का, उसने धीरे धीरे भीमसी का पीछा करना स्टार्ट किया एंड केम टू द खिलजी कैंप एज अ प्रिजनर। और फिर उन्होंने भीमसी को एज अ प्रिजनर उसके साथ गए और उसको एक एज अ प्रिजनर उसके कैंप तक ले गए। किसके कैंप तक? अलाउद्दीन खिलजी के कैंप तक। ब्लैक हार्टेड अलाउद्दीन then said that he would not set Bhimsi free, and then Alauddin said to the soldiers that he will not set free to the king unless he was allowed to marry Padmini, जब तक वो उसे पद्मिनी से मैरिज करने को अलाउ नहीं करेंगे। The Rajputs were filled with rage and grief when they heard it. When Rajput heard it, they were very sad about it. They feared that their king would be killed, and उन्हें इस चीज़ का डर था that king will be killed by Alauddin. But Padmini, being a clever woman, said, in the starting of chapter, I told you that Padmini was very clever with her beauty, okay? And she was very clever as the Turks have no honor and have deceived us. We must pay them back in their own coin. Then she sent word that she would give herself up if Alauddin set her husband free. तब उसने अलाउद्दीन से कहा कि वो उसके साथ जाने के लिए तभी तैयार होगी जब वो उसके हस्बैंड को फ्री कर देगा, मीन्स राजपूत राजा को, भीमसी को वो जब फ्री करेगा। But as I am going to be Alauddin's queen, she said, I must bring with me all my women servants, jewels and clothes in close blankets. And she said that अगर मैं आपके साथ चलने को तैयार हूँ, then I will be with my all women servant, jewels and clothes also in a close blanket. एक बंद पालकी में मैं सारे सामान ले जाऊँगी। I must and the Turks must not look at it, and nobody will look at them. इस blanket के अंदर क्या है? Nobody will look at them. Alauddin gladly agreed, for he thought that Padmini really wanted to be his wife and the queen of Delhi. Then Alauddin believed on Padmini's word और उस पर भरोसा करके उसने ये सब चीज़ों के लिए अलाउ किया। Padmini's blanket was carried out of the fort. Then Padmini's blanket was out of the fort. Everyone thought she was in it, but instead it held a brave Rajput boy named Pal. But there was in blanket there was no Padmini. There was a brave boy named Pal. With him went 70 blankets, which the Turks thought contained her woman servant and jewels. और कितनी blankets थी? 70 blankets थी, जिसके अंदर वो सब सोच रहे थे, जो टर्कीज थे वो ये सोच रहे थे कि उसके अंदर सारी jewels और clothes हैं, women servant है, but there was brave soldiers. But there was a Rajput soldier in each of them. Each blanket was carried by 6 men who looked like coolies but were in fact brave soldiers who had with them their sword and shield. And blanket bearers, who was looking very simple man, they were also the soldiers with their bread. Okay, and they all have their sword and shield. Then Gora Padmini's uncle, who was in charge of the party, said to Alauddin, Padmini wishes to speak to her husband for the last time and say goodbye to him. Then Gora, who was Padmini's uncle, he said to Alauddin Khilji that Padmini want to meet her husband in last time, and she wanted to say him goodbye, finally goodbye. Then Alauddin allowed her. Very well, said the Khilji king, who was very pleased to think that he had the queen and all her jewels in his power. Bhimsi is in that tent. और खिलजी बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हो गया इस बात पे कि what he wanted really, he got all the things, all the jewels, cloth and Padmini also. So he told that there is a tent and there is Bhimsi. The queen gave him for more than a quarter of an hour. He allowed Padmini to meet her husband, but he said that to not take mustard. Then the planking was taken into the tent. Badal stopped out and handed over the armor that he had brought to Bhimsi. In a short time, Alauddin went into the tent. Then all the Rajput came out of the plankings, and the police drew their arms and attacked the Turks who were taken by surprise. And what was the plan of Padmini? In the tent, when they entered in a group and planking was opened, then all the armors came out from there, and they all were with their arms and shield, sword, and they fought bravely and set their king free. Bhimsi seized a horse and rode safely back to Padmini. There was a great battle between the Turks and the Rajputs, in which many were killed. And there was a great battle between them and in which many were killed. There were many were killed, many soldiers were killed, many persons were killed. Not many Rajputs returned alive, but they managed to save their king. And all the Rajputs saved their king. However, Alauddin was not a man to give up anything he had once set his heart on. He returned to Chittor again a few years later to calm his pride, to claim his pride. And after getting defeat, after many years, he returned again for claim their pride, means what he wanted really. वो रियल में जो चीज चाहता था उसके लिए उसने दोबारा आकर फिर से आक्रमण किया था. But Rajputs are very brave and they fought bravely. Okay. This was the story. Now move for the exercises. First will be your word meaning. First word is lay-16. Meaning is attack. Second, black-hearted. Meaning is weak. Third, planking. The meaning is a covered litter carried by 4 or more bearers. Next, arms, weapons, armor, metal clothing that soldiers wore to protect their bodies. The next exercise, answer the questions in brief. First question, how many years ago did Alauddin rule Delhi? Has given in the chapter 700 years ago. Second, what was the capital of Mewar at that time? Answer is Chittor. Next question, that was your second chapter. Practice at your home. Stay safe.